Identification. The identification of a marmorated stink bug, Heliomorpha hales, typically involves observing key physical characteristics. These bugs are known for their distinctive shield-shaped bodies, marked with alternating light and dark bands on the antennae and along the edges of the abdomen. Their coloration ranges from brown to grey, with marbled patterns on their exoskeleton. It is between 14 and 17 mm long, roughly the size of a US dime. The abdominal edges and two antennal segments have alternating broad light and dark bands. Additionally, they emit a foul odour when disturbed, which aids in their recognition. Given their propensity to infest crops and homes, accurately identifying these insects is crucial. Reproduction. The marmorated brown stink bug, like many insects, undergoes a complete metamorphosis throughout its life cycle, consisting of 4 main stages: egg, nymph, adult, and reproduction. Females lay clusters of eggs on the undersides of leaves or stems of host plants, often in spring or early summer. These eggs hatch into nymphs, which resemble smaller versions of adults but lack fully developed wings and reproductive organs. Nymphs undergo a series of molts as they grow, progressing through 5 instar stages, during which they feed voraciously on plant tissues. Once they reach adulthood, which typically occurs in late summer or early fall, they become capable of reproducing. Adults mate, and females lay eggs, completing the life cycle. In favourable conditions, the marmorated brown stink bug can complete its life cycle in as little as 1 year, although this may vary depending on environmental factors such as temperature and food availability. Diet. The brown, marmorated stink bug has a diverse diet, primarily consisting of plant matter. It feeds on a wide range of fruits, vegetables, and ornamental plants, including but not limited to apples, peaches, tomatoes, peppers, soybeans, and various ornamental trees and shrubs. These bugs use their piercing mouthparts to pierce the skin of fruits, vegetables, or plant stems, sucking out the juices and causing damage. They are known to be particularly damaging to crops, leading to economic losses in agricultural sectors. In addition to plants, they may also feed on other insects, making them opportunistic feeders. Impact. The invasive stink bug has had significant impacts, particularly on agriculture and homeowners. These stink bugs are notorious pests known for feeding on a wide variety of crops, including fruits, vegetables, and ornamental plants. Their feeding activity can cause cosmetic damage to fruits and vegetables, making them unmarketable, and can also lead to yield losses. Additionally, the brown marmorated stink bug has become a nuisance in residential areas, often invading homes in large numbers during the fall as they seek shelter for the winter. Their presence indoors can be unpleasant due to the foul odour they emit when disturbed or crushed. Overall, the invasion of brown marmorated stink bugs in Ohio has posed challenges for both farmers and residents, requiring the implementation of management strategies to mitigate their impact on crops and homes. Arrival into Ohio. These stink bugs are known to hitchhike on various modes of transportation, such as vehicles, shipping containers, and plants. It's believed that they were inadvertently introduced to the United States, including Ohio, via international trade and travel routes. Once introduced to a new area, these stink bugs can establish populations rapidly, aided by their ability to adapt to diverse habitats and their lack of natural predators in their introduced range. Prevention. Preventing the spread of the invasive brown marmorated stink bug Heliomorpha hales in Ohio involves a multifaceted approach. This includes regular monitoring and early detection efforts to identify and address infestations promptly, as well as implementing cultural practices like crop rotation and timely harvesting to reduce habitat suitability. Physical barriers such as row covers and ceiling entry points in buildings can help prevent stink bugs from accessing vulnerable areas. Encouraging natural predators and parasitoids, alongside judicious use of insecticides when necessary, contributes to effective biological control. public education campaigns raise awareness about stink bug identification and management strategies, facilitating proactive measures by farmers, gardeners, and homeowners alike. By combining these methods, Ohio can mitigate the impact of the brown marmorated stink bug and limit its spread. Extermination. The complete extermination of the brown invasive stink bug is challenging due to its resilience and ability to reproduce rapidly. However, effective removal strategies can help manage infestations. Vacuuming or physically removing stink bugs from indoor spaces can provide temporary relief. Sealing entry points, such as cracks and crevices in buildings, prevents their ingress. In agricultural settings, targeted insecticide application following integrated pest management principles can help reduce populations. Additionally, encouraging natural predators and parasitoids through habitat preservation supports biological control. Continuous monitoring and swift action are essential components of successful stink bug management. Conclusion. The invasion of the brown marmorated stink bug in Ohio has emerged as a significant concern for both agricultural producers and homeowners alike. With its rapid spread and voracious appetite, this invasive pest poses a threat to a wide range of crops, including fruits, vegetables, and ornamental plants, leading to substantial economic losses. Moreover, its foul-smelling defensive secretions make it a nuisance in residential areas. Efforts to control and manage the spread of BMSB in Ohio are imperative to safeguarding both agricultural productivity and quality of life for residents. Implementing integrated pest management strategies, promoting awareness among the public, and fostering collaboration among researchers, farmers, and policymakers are crucial steps in mitigating the impact of this invasive species and preserving Ohio's agricultural and environmental integrity.